Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today our topic is related to histology, identification points of trachea for histology practical and slide. There are four identification points of trachea. Number one, trachea is lined by pseudostratified ciliated columnar epithelium. Number two, hyaline cartilage is present. Number three, trachealis muscle is present. Number four, tracheal glands are present. These are the four identification points of trachea for histology, practical and slide. On my YouTube channel, I already upload the trachea detailed slide explanation video. Go and watch that video, and now I will upload these identification points also. On my YouTube channel, you can find general histology, special histology, each slide detailed explanation video, and each slide identification points for practical and slide. If you like my videos, press the like button and share these videos with your friends. If you are new to my channel, subscribe my channel by pressing the red subscribe button, and also press the bell icon to open the all notification by receiving my each new video notification. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.